Hello friends, today's topic is units and measurements. The comparison of any physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. Physical quantities. All the quantities in terms of which laws of physics are described and whose measurement is necessary are called physical quantities. Units. A definite amount of the physical quantity is taken as its standard unit. The standard unit should be easily reproducible, internationally accepted. Fundamental units. Those physical quantities which are independent to each other are called fundamental quantities and their units are called fundamental units. Derived units. Those physical quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities are called derived quantities and their units are called derived units. Example: velocity, acceleration, force, work, etc. Definitions of the fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental units of SI have been defined under: first one, 1 kilogram, a cylindrical prototype mass made of platinum and iridium alloys of height 39 mm and diameter 39 mm. It is mass of 5.0188 into 10 to the power 25 atoms of carbon 12. Second one, 1 meter. 1 meter is a distance that contains 1650763.73 wavelength of orange red light of KR86. Third one, 1 second. 1 second is the time in which cesium atoms vibrates 919263170 times in an atomic clock. 1 Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is the 1 by 273.16 part of the thermodynamics temperature of the triple point of water. 1 candela. 1 candela is 1 by 60 luminous intensity of an ideal source by an area of centimeter with when source is at melting point of platinum 1760 degrees Celsius. 1 ampere. 1 ampere is the current through which it is maintained in a two straight parallel conductor of infinite length and of negligible cross-sectional area placed 1 meter apart. In vacuum, it experiences the force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter length. 1 mole. 1 mole is the amount of the substance of the system which contains many elementary entities, may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons or group of particles as this and atoms of 0.012 kg of carbon isotope carbon 612. SI units. A system of unit is the complete set of units, both fundamental and derived, for all kinds of physical quantities. The common system of unit which is used in mechanics are given below. CGS system. In this system, the unit of length in centimeter, the unit of mass is gram and the unit of time is seconds. FPS system. In this system, the unit of the length is foot, the unit of mass is pound and the unit of time is seconds. MKS system. In this system, the unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram and the unit of time is seconds. SI unit. The system contains 7 fundamental units of 2 supplementary fundamental units. Relationship between some mechanical SI units and commonly used units. First one, the physical quantities and units. First one, length. A 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 metric ton is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg. That is equal to mass. Volume. 1 pound is equal to 0.4537 kg and 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 kg and 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 32 meter cube. Force. 1 dyne is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 newtons. 1 kgf is equal to 9.81 newton. Then 1 kgf meter square is equal to 9.81 newton meter per square. Second one, pressure. 1 mm of Hg is equal to 133 newton per meter square and 1 pascal is equal to 1 newton per meter square. D. 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 76 centimeter of Hg is equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 pascals and 1 ERG is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 joules. D. B. 1 kgf meter is equal to 9.81 joule. Work and energy. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 1 kg of meter per second is equal to 9.81 watt and power is equal to 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Dimensional formulas of some physical quantities. Physical quantities dimensional formulas, MKS units. First one, area L square, meter square, volume L cube, meter cube, velocity LT inverse, meter per second, acceleration LT per square is equal to meter per second square, force MLT per square is equal to Newton, work or energy L square T square is equal to joule, power is equal to L square T cube is equal to joule per second or watt, pressure of stress L inverse T square is equal to Newton per meter square, linear moment of impulse MLT inverse is equal to kg meter per second, density L cube is equal to kg per meter cube, strain dimensionless and its unit also unitless, modulus of elasticity L inverse T square Newton per meter square, surface tension Mt square is equal to Newton per meter, velocity gradient T inverse second inverse, and coefficient of velocity L inverse T inverse kg meter per second, gravitational constant M inverse L cube T square Newton meter square per kg square, moment of inertia ml square kg meter square, angular velocity T inverse radian per second, angular acceleration T square radian per second square, angular momentum ml square T inverse kg meter square second inverse, specific heat L square T square theta inverse, kilocalorie kg per Kelvin, specific heat L square T square kilocalorie per kg, Planck's constant M L square T inverse joule per second, universal gas constant M L square T square T theta inverse joule per mole per Kelvin. Homogeneity principle. If the dimension of the left hand side of the equation are equal to the dimension of the right hand side of the equation, then the equation is dimensionally correct. This is known as the homogeneity principle. Mathematically, LHS is equal to RHS. Application of dimensions. To check the accuracy of the physical equation. To change the physical quantity from one system of unit to the another system of unit. to obtain a relation between different physical quantities. Next one, significant figures. In the measured value of the physical quantities, the number of digits about the correctness of which we are sure plus the next doubtful digits are called as significant figures. Rules for finding the significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant figures. Example, 4362 meter has 4 significant figures. Second one, all zeros occurring between non-zero digits are the significant figure. Example, 1005 has 4 significant figures. All zeros of the right of the last non-zero digit are not significant. 6250 has only 3 significant figures. 0 is not considered. Fourth one, in the digit less than 1, all zeros of the right of the decimal point and to the left of the non-zero digit are not significant. Example, 0.00325 has only 3 significant figures. Fifth one, all zeros of the right of non-zero digit is the dimensional part of significant. Example, 1.4750 has 5 significant figures. Significant figures in algebraic operation. In addition of the subtraction, in addition or subtraction of the numerical values, the final result should retain the least decimal place as in the various numerical value. Example, if L1 is equal to 4.326 meter and L2 is equal to 1.50 meters, then L1 plus L2 is equal to 4.326 plus 1.50 meter is equal to 5.826 meters. As L2 has measured up to 2 decimal places, therefore L1 plus L2 is equal to 5.83 meter. Second one, in multiplication or division of the numerical values, the final result should attain the least significant figures as the various numerical values. Example, if length L is equal to 12.5 meter and breadth is equal to 4.125 meter, then area A is equal to length into breadth. 12.5 into 4.125 is equal to 51.5625 meter square. As one has only 3 significant figures, therefore A is equal to 51.6 meter square. Rules of round offing significant figures. First one, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Example, 1.54 is round off to 1.5. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example, 2.49 is round off to 2.5. Third one, if the digit is dropped is 5 followed by the digit 0, the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example, 3.55 is round off to 3.6. Fourth one, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. If it is odd and left unchanged, if it is even, example, 3.750 is round off to 3.8 and 4.650 is round off to 4.6. Errors. The lack in accuracy in the measurement due to the limit of accuracy of the instrument or due to any other cases is called as errors. Absolute error. The difference between the true value and the measured value of the quantity is called absolute error. If A1, A2, A3, so on up to A to n are the measured values of any physical quantities. A is the experiment performed in n times, then the arithmetic mean of these values is called as true value of the quantity. Am is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 so on up to an by n. The absolute error is measured value is given by delta a1 is equal to am minus a1, delta a2 is equal to am minus a1. Therefore, delta am is equal to am minus an. Mean absolute error. The arithmetic mean of the magnitude of absolute error in all the measurements is called mean absolute error. Delta a bar is equal to delta a1 plus delta a2 mod plus 1 up to delta a to the an by n. Relative error. The ratio of mean absolute error to the true value is called relative error. Relative error is equal to mean absolute error by the true value, that is equal to delta a bar by am. Fourth one, percentage error. The relative error expresses in percentage is called as percentage error. Percentage error is equal to delta a bar by am into 100%. Percentage error, propagation of error. First one, error in addition or subtraction. Let x is equal to a plus b or x is equal to a minus b. If the measured value of the two quantities a and b are a plus or minus delta a and b plus or minus delta b, then maximum absolute error in their addition or the subtraction, delta x is equal to plus or minus delta a plus delta b. Second one, error in multiplication or the division. Let x is equal to a into b or x is equal to a by b. If the measured value of a and b are a plus or minus delta a and b plus or minus delta b, then the maximum relative error delta x by x is equal to plus or minus bracket delta a by a plus delta b by b